a 6-day scenic journey through Laos and China by train. From the Mekong River to Jade Dragon Snow Mountain, enjoy breathtaking nature and historic ancient towns.
Here are some important travel tips. First, Google Maps does not work properly in China. In addition, to use apps like Line in China, you will need a VPN. Also, prepare a USB Type-A to Type-C cable for charging your smartphone. It will be very useful when using charging ports on buses and vans.
Some buses and vans in China have USB Type-A charging ports on the seats. Therefore, bringing a USB Type-A to Type-C cable is very convenient for charging your smartphone. You can use your phone with peace of mind even while traveling.
When traveling abroad, your smartphone battery may drain faster than usual. This is because the phone keeps searching for a signal. Switching to airplane mode when there is no signal helps save battery and makes it last longer.
Let us introduce a 6-day railway journey through Laos and China. Day 1. Enjoy a Mekong River cruise and explore the night market. Day 2. Experience the morning almsgiving and morning market. Then take the train to Kunming and stroll around Dali Ancient Town. Day 3. Visit Yuantong Temple and Dali Ancient Town. Day 4. Explore Lijiang Ancient Town, also known as the Venice of the East. Day 5. Discover Jade Dragon Snow Mountain, Blue Moon Valley, and enjoy the spectacular Zhangyi show. Day 6, return from Kunming to Chiang Mai. A memorable 6-day journey filled with scenic highlights and cultural discoveries.
We have arrived in Luang Prabang, the ancient capital in northern Laos. This is Luang Prabang Airport. The golden roof creates a distinctly Laotian atmosphere. Our 6-day journey begins here.
The magnificent Mekong River flows through the rich nature of Laos. You can relax and enjoy a leisurely cruise while watching the river glow in the colors of the sunset. The dreamlike scenery will become one of the most memorable moments of your journey.
In the early morning in Luang Prabang, monks walk quietly through the streets while local people offer food with gratitude. The traditional Lao almsgiving ritual creates a solemn and spiritual moment that touches the heart. The high-speed railway connects Kunming in China with Vientiane, the capital of Laos. It opened in 2021 as an international rail line, creating a new travel route between the two countries. Here we are at Boten station on the Laos side. Before boarding the train, you will complete the departure procedures. After that, you will undergo immigration inspection at the station on the Chinese side and then finally cross the border.
Here we are at Mohan Station on the Chinese side. Upon arriving by train from Laos, you will complete immigration procedures here. The spacious and well-organized facilities feel just like an airport.
Here, we will introduce the ancient towns that remain in Yunnan. In other words, historic castle towns and old quarters. An ancient town refers to a tourist destination that preserves traditional streets and culture. First, Lijiang Ancient Town. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and known for its canals and stone bridges. Next, Dali Ancient Town. It boasts a history of 1,200 years with beautiful Bai architecture and views of Mount Kangshan. Then, Guandu Ancient Town. Located on the outskirts of Kunming, it is an old urban district where temples and traditional markets still remain. Each ancient town has its own unique charm and rich history. You will experience scenery that is difficult to find in Japan.
This is Guandu Ancient Town in Kunming. At night, the traditional buildings are beautifully illuminated, creating a magical atmosphere. Historical streets blend with modern shops and restaurants, making it a popular destination for sightseeing and leisurely walks.
This is Yunnan Temple in Kunming. It is a renowned temple with a history of over 1,000 years, where the beautiful temple buildings reflecting on the tranquil pond captivate visitors. Even today, many worshippers come here, making it a peaceful and spiritually calming destination.
This is Guanyin Temple in Dali. The vividly decorated gate and the majestic temple buildings convey a deep sense of history and faith. It is a calm and venerable temple that attracts many worshippers.
This is Dali Ancient Town, an old city with a history of around 1,200 years. The traditional Bai architecture harmonizes beautifully with the views of Mount Kangshan, captivating everyone who visits. The view from a café by Erhai Lake looked just like a painting. The blue lake and distant mountains, framed perfectly by the window, quietly soothed the heart. This beautiful scenery will surely leave unforgettable memories for everyone who visits Dali. Lijiang Ancient Town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Its beautiful townscape, featuring waterways and stone bridges, feels as if time has stood still. This ancient town, where history and daily life coexist in harmony, continues to fascinate travelers from around the world. Yunnan cuisine is truly amazing. With dishes like mushroom hot pot and so many colorful foods, you just cannot stop eating. However, since Google Maps does not work in China, you will need a bit of creativity when searching for restaurants. However, unexpected rain and fog arrived. The scenery from the gondola was completely hidden in white mist. It was a bit disappointing, but this too becomes part of the journey's memories. The weather was not on our side, but we safely reached an altitude of 4,506 meters. Despite the harsh high-altitude environment, it was a moment filled with a strong sense of accomplishment. Because of the high altitude and thin air, we take oxygen to adjust our bodies. In high-altitude tourist areas like this, many visitors use oxygen tanks or oxygen inhalers.
The show performed here is a grand outdoor production directed by Zhang Yimou, one of China's most renowned film directors. On the stage set against the red earth, local performers in traditional costumes express their life in nature through music and dance. With its powerful direction and spectacular visual effects, the audience feels as if they are being drawn into the story itself.
This is Jade Water Park. Surrounded by lush greenery, the cascading waterfalls sparkle like jade. Embraced by the gentle sound of flowing water, visitors can relax both body and mind in this natural paradise.
This is Blue Moon Valley, a breathtaking valley with crystal-clear blue waters and magnificent snow-capped mountains. The beautiful contrast of nature makes you feel as if you have wandered into a picture book world. If you plan to visit Jade Dragon Snow Mountain or Lijiang Ancient Town, using Lijiang Airport will be very convenient. Although you can also access the area from Dali or Kunming, choosing Lijiang Airport significantly reduces travel time and allows you to enjoy your trip more comfortably.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. See you on the next journey.